Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Etisalat by E and SIM card using the updated 2026 method. So the best way to get a replacement is via the E and UAE application. So you need to first of all open it, then log in into your account with the help of your UAE pass or your username credentials. So when you log in into your account, you are going to see the manage option here on the home screen. If you don't see the manage option on the home screen, simply tap on your profile icon first. After that, among the given options, you will see the option of setup/manage autopay. So when you are inside the manage option, simply select the mobile number that needs a new SIM. Then look for the option which is labeled as replace SIM or switch to eSIM. So you need to choose your SIM type. You can select a physical SIM or an eSIM. If you choose the physical SIM, you will need to provide your delivery address. Etisalat usually delivers the new SIM card to your door within 24 hours. If you choose an eSIM, the replacement happens almost instantly on your phone. So for an eSIM replacement in 2026, the application will ask you for the face scan. So you just have to follow the instructions. So once it is verified, you can install a new eSIM profile directly to your phone settings. So finally, you just have to be aware of the costs. A standard SIM replacement in 2026 costs approximately 25 dirhams plus VAT. So the fee is usually added to the next postpaid bill or taken from the prepaid credits. If you ordered a physical SIM, you can pay the delivery agent or pay through the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.